In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed web pages in Google Sites. We're going to walk through this from start to finish so that by the end you can display any public web page right inside your Google site without your visitors ever having to leave your page. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land on the main Google Sites dashboard where all of your existing sites are listed. If you're not signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your sites. Next, choose the site where you want to embed a web page. On the dashboard, click on the thumbnail or title of that site. This will open the site editor, which is where you can add and rearrange content. Give it a second to load and you should see your site in the center and a panel with tools on the right-hand side. On that right-hand side, look for the option labeled Embed. It's usually under the Insert tab. Click on Embed. This is the tool that lets you bring in content from other websites either by URL or by embed code. In this case, we'll be using a simple URL. Now switch to the tab or window where the web page you want to share is open. Click once in the address bar at the top of your browser to highlight the full web address, then copy it. Make sure the page you're using is publicly accessible. If it's behind a login or restricted, it may not display correctly for your visitors. Go back to your Google Sites tab and in the Embed window, make sure you're on the URL option. Click in the URL field and paste the link you just copied. Google Sites will usually generate a quick preview of the page so you can confirm you've got the right link. When you're happy with that, click on Insert. This drops the embedded content onto your page. You'll now see a box representing the web page right in your layout. At this point, you'll be asked whether you want to embed the whole page or just a preview. Choose whole page if you want visitors to interact with the page, scroll, and see everything. Choose preview if you only want a snapshot style view or a smaller, less interactive version. Pick the option that best fits your design and the experience you want to create. Finally, click Insert once more to confirm your choice. The embed will be placed on your site and you can drag to reposition it or resize it as needed. When everything looks good, remember to publish your site so your changes go live.